In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Qwen AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the official site, sign up with the method that suits you, confirm your account, and start chatting confidently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on desktop or mobile. In the address bar, go to the official Qwen chat website, such as chat.qwen.ai or the main Qwen platform. Give the page a moment to load the login and sign up screen. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser help this go smoothly. If you're unsure you're in the right place, check the URL carefully and consider bookmarking it for easy access later. Starting from the official chat page ensures you see the correct options and the latest interface. On the login screen, look for the sign up button and select it. You'll be presented with several ways to create your account. Qwen typically supports email and password signup, as well as signing in with a Google or GitHub account. Single sign-on options are convenient if you want to use an existing account to authenticate quickly, while email signup gives you a standalone login that isn't tied to another service. Choose whichever aligns with your preferences and how you manage your accounts. If you go with email signup, enter a valid email address you can access right away, then create a strong password. Add a username or any other required details the form requests. Read and agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed, then click Create Account. A quick tip, using a unique password and storing it in a password manager helps keep your account secure and easy to manage. Make sure there are no typos in your email, as you'll need it for the next step. Next, verify your email. Open your inbox and look for a message from Qwen. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Open the verification email and click the confirmation link inside. This step activates your account. If the link has expired or you can't find the message, return to the sign-up page and request a new verification email. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start using Qwen AI. Log in with your new credentials or your chosen sign-in provider, then open the chat interface. Type your question or prompt in the message box and press enter to begin the conversation. For best results, be clear and specific about what you need. You can refine your prompt as you go, and Qwen will respond automatically. That's it. Your account is ready, and you can begin exploring what Qwen AI can do for you.